This is Alex Conroy, and today this video will be about resistance. So let's start with about the measurement. So the measurement is the opposition to current. Resistance is it's measured in ohms. They change the flow of electrons, and there are two different kinds of circuits. There's a series circuit and a parallel circuit. An analogy of resistance is imagine a ring full of people holding hands, moving in a circle. There's a patch of bumpy ground that they have to walk over. This slows the people down walking, so the bumpier the ground, the higher the resistance will be. So first up we have a series circuit. So all these resistors, which you can see are circled, are in series with each other. So everything from resistor A then goes to resistor B and then resistor C. So resistor A has 50 ohms, B has 100, and C has 50. So since these are all in series, we are going to add them all together. So once you add them all together, you're going to get a total of 200 ohms. So that is the total resistance for this series circuit. Next, we have parallel. This is a parallel circuit, which is a little trickier. So all the current that comes out of the battery needs to go to A, but it splits so that some could go to B and some could go to C. So not everything goes to A and then B. It all splits up between the three resistors. So this equation is going to be different. So this equation has it's 1 over the total resistance equals 1 over the first resistor plus 2 over the second resistor plus 3 over the third resistor. Or you can do it's equal to the same as take the resistor and put it to the -1 power. So our calculator ready form would say 100, which is resistor A, to the negative first power, B plus B, 150 to the negative first power, plus C, which is 200 raised to the negative first power as seen down here. So once that is all said and done, you put that in your calculator and you're going to get 46.1538 ohms, and that is your total resistance for this parallel circuit. Now, we have a combined circuit as seen here. So we have some series and some in parallel. So first we can combine C, D, and E with each other, and those are all in parallel. So we could use our parallel equation, raising each of those to the negative first power. And when you get the answer, you're going to raise that. And then you could put those all together. And then everything left here, everything circled, can all be added together as it is in series with each other. So once those are all added together, you get 327.273 ohms, and that is your total resistance of this combined circuit.